Hello, hello. My name is Rahman. This is my project NVIDIA NIM Factory. So we are in NVIDIA AI Workbench. Let's get started. First, let's go to the environment section and start the environment after cloning the project and building successfully, as it shows here. After running our environment, first we need to run backend app. After successfully running, we run front-end app. As you can see, this is our home page, which is run by front-end app, and here we need to choose our model. In our case, we choose GPT model since it can be run in our GPU. We are offered available versions. Right now, it's GPT-2, and types of GPT-2. We choose none. Here we have Hugging Face optional button. If you won't use Llama model, you don't need to enter any credentials. So click on the Prepare Environment button and watch closely to TensorRT LLM text marked down here. It can take some time until model gets installed and requirement dependencies of TensorRT LLM gets installed as well. So let's wait a couple of minutes and we'll get back to you as well. Until it gets installed, you can observe the output here. It installed TensorRT LLM repository and now installing Hugging Face model. As you can hear, filtering content until it gets 100%. So you can observe the output right now. After it gets installed and you get the output of model successfully installed and TensorRT LLM successfully installed output, you can observe the front-end app where TensorRT LLM becomes green. Okay, as you can see, TensorRT LLM turned to green, which means everything has been installed successfully. Let's go to the second tab where we quantize our model, choose quantization format, and let's say none for Kiwi cache data type, and start quantization. Okay, so it will take a while until all the dependencies, extra dependencies will be installed for particular model in TensorRT LLM and the dependencies of quantization. So we have to wait for a couple of minutes as well here, and we'll get back to you as well. So yeah, as you can see here, model successfully quantized. Here it has an output, as you can see, rank, top rank, and so on. So let's go to the build engine tab. Be careful because max input length should not be 0 and less than max position embeddings in config.json. So let's choose 90 and start our engine build. Okay, I think let's do it again. Oh, okay. Let's wait for a couple of minutes until TensorRT LLM gets built. Don't pay attention to this output. It still runs. Let's wait a couple of minutes and get back to you. Okay, so we built successfully our engine here. You can also check your models folder or model path JSON file, and let's go to the run engine. Well, actually, run engine is actively under active development. It doesn't work right now. There are a lot of things needs to be done. So at the moment, yeah, we only provide building and quantization of models. I hope it helps. Goodbye.